Hello everyone. Today we're going to create a JavaScript program to check if only one of two given integers is a multiple of either 7 or 11. Let's get started. The idea is to return true if exactly one number is a multiple of either 7 or 11. If both or neither of them meet this requirement, we'll return false. Here's the code. Our function valCheck takes two parameters, a and b. It checks if exactly one of them is a multiple of 7 or 11 and returns true or false based on that condition. The function first checks if both numbers meet the criteria, then moves on to see if either one alone does, ensuring only one condition is true. This way, we cover each possibility. Here, both 14 and 21 are multiples of 7, so the function returns false because both numbers meet the condition, which doesn't satisfy our rule. In this example, only 14 is the multiple of 7, so the function returns true because only one number meets our criteria. Here, neither 16 nor 20 is a multiple of 7 or 11, so the function returns false since neither number meets the criteria. We can simplify this function using ES6 array function syntax. The logic remains unchanged, but we made the function a bit more compact and modernized. In summary, this program efficiently checks for exclusive multiples of 7 or 11 between two numbers, helping us handle exclusive conditions in JavaScript. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tips and tricks.